Welcome back to another video, guys, and thank you guys for joining me, your boy Tony, for another banger. I'm out here with my baby girl Selena, as you guys can tell. Today we're gonna be working on her. As you guys know, I was able to salvage this from the Z, and today we're gonna be using it on the Bug because I need this in the Bug because I have other accessories that I want to run, and I don't want to run them off the stock fuse box. So I'm gonna just add another power distributor block, you feel me, and then just put this somewhere in the back over there behind the dash, and then, you know, have this with all my other accessories I will get into right now. For starters, I added this one. This is an aftermarket one because mine didn't come with one stock, so I added this aftermarket one and it doesn't work, so I want to wire that. The light to this is, I also would like to wire to that, as also with the whole button thing. I would like to wire that to this right here, as well as my LED lights in here. I would also like to wire those up to that, and that'd be sick. And also my fog lights, I would like to wire those to that. So that's a good amount of things that we're gonna be running. So I'm excited to do it because this doesn't work, the light doesn't work, like the LEDs don't work. The fog lights work, but they're kind of weird. I actually got this off eBay, and I'll put the link in the description if you guys want it. And right now I'm only using 5, so I'll have an extra one just in case I want to do something later. I'm in the front. This is the game plan right here. Essentially what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this power block distributor right here on this like perfect panel the size of it, to be honest. Probably closer to the switches maybe, but like essentially right here. All the cables can reach right here. It's not where I put like my stuff, and it has a cover somewhere the cover is for this, so it'll be protected. So I went ahead and wiped it down, alcohol, you feel me, wiped it down. I'm gonna wipe the back of this, put some Gorilla double-sided tape. It'll be on from there, but that we're gonna do it at the end. Right now I'm just gonna connect everything, make sure it works, and then run the wire to the battery. Right now I disconnected all my positives because I know where they're going. Make sure to disconnect your battery, please. Every single time you do some wiring, don't be an idiot like me and have to learn from years and years of messing up. Just go disconnect it, bro. You're gonna have to go in there anyways to go connect a lead to this straight from the battery. So with that being said, I have all my ground separated and all my power wires separated. Right here I got the one for my bag, then I got the one for the light, and then right here is the one for the cigarette lighter, and then over here we got the one for the other cigarette lighter, which is pretty much for my lights, my LED lights. And I'm gonna connect a plug for my phone and run just a wire from inside of here. And then lastly I got my fog lights over here, so connect all of them, have one more free space, and we'll be good to go. Got this tool from Harbor Freight, you feel me? It's pretty fire. For now what I'm gonna do is make all the ends like this. So I'll take these off, cut them off, splice them, cut them off, you feel me? And then because I'm gonna be switching to these fork styles just so I can get them in here easier to take on and off and whatnot. So now what I'm gonna do is just put these ends on and clamp them together, you feel me? Would you look at that? Not bad, eh? Already cleaned the back and got the Gorilla on there, so right now I'm gonna peel it, and then we're gonna stick it on here and hope for the best. I got it all wired up except the actual lead, but it looks pretty sick, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it looks pretty sick, man. Check this out, check this out. Sheesh. Oh, good that looks. I almost feel bad putting a cover on it, man, but it looks fire. I'm digging it, man, for sure. Look at that nice work, nice craftsmanship, bro. Damn. So a lot has happened. I got my power wire ran and stuff. Everything's pretty solid on there, bro. Nothing's gonna come off. Got my cover right here. Once I'm done, I'll slap it on myself. Well, I guess I am done, so there's that. I'm done. Because that's all done. I'm not gonna do anything else to that housing. All I'm gonna do is add in a switch, probably this one. The wiring all runs through right there, everything from my stereo to my head unit to my RCAs to everything, which is probably not a good thing because I probably want to run my RCAs and my speaker cable separate, but we'll deal with that dilemma when we have time. But anyways, I like this switch for a few reasons. I have this really ugly one right here, but that's for my fog lights, and it's alright, it'll work. But this one's even cooler because keep it on this side like that, you feel me? Wrap it around in some duct tape and it'll sit there perfectly flush. Well, it is pretty flush already, but a little bit tighter would be better. And then I got my little Beetle right here. So I think that'd be sick, man. That way, if this lights up, it tells me that all my accessories are on or off. So let's go ahead and try this, wire this up, and see what happens, man. I did have to take off the kick panel also to run my wiring through right here. It's all tucked up neat. Not connected to anything yet because I gotta figure out how to do all that in the rear once this is all done in the front. So I have this 3-prong switch so that when it's on the cabin, it can like actually tell me when it's on, so I don't leave it accidentally on, you know, so you can always remember that it's on. 3-prong system is pretty simple. The one that's golden is the ground. The one that's furthest away, that's going to your accessories, and the one in the middle is the one that's going straight to your battery, man. It's pretty simple. You guys can see that the third one's a different color. That's for the negative terminal. And just to show you guys that it works, let's switch it on. It's on. Check out all the accessories on the bug. LED works. The light for this thing works. You guys can see that. My airbags work. This thing works. See, it works. Anyways, that all works. The freaking fog lights also work. Okay, so check me out. So this one, I don't know if I blew it because I put it on wrong the first time before I figured out how to do it. This one doesn't have the light on it, so but it works. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up using this one for like the fog lights, so I don't have mismatched switches like this, because this one fits in perfectly right there. But if we take it out, put this one right there too, it also fits perfectly. And if I want them to be a little bit more snug, I'm gonna put some duct tape around them right now. But other than that, man, I mean, kind of want to take this one off because I don't really like the way it looks. That way, when they're off, they all be facing the same way. So this one's facing this way when it's off. This one's also facing that way when it's off. So they'd be right next to each other like that. Bam! So on, and if I want the fog lights on, you feel me? And then off, off. That'd be sick, man. And it's a lot more low profile than this, man. All right, I know it's a mess, but check this out, watch. Switch is on. My LEDs are on. Everything works. The lights on type, you feel me? Turn this switch on. Because you don't always want your fog lights on when your accessories are on, you know? And now the fog lights are on. And we can turn off the fog lights separately from everything else. But let's say, boom, you're done cruising. You're about to dip. Remember, this light's on, so there you go. Just turned off the power to your whole bug. Pretty sick, huh? Now put some duct tape around this, so it'll be a little bit snug right here. So let's go ahead and slap that on and see what it do. I'm a bit of a symmetrical guy, so I might do one on each side of the Beetle and then just have the Beetle in the middle. That way it fills up the whole gap. So because I feel like if it's just the Beetle and then 2 switches, it don't look good. So if it's 1 and 1, it might look cool. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know. Damn! Get something white in the middle and I got the Mexican flag. Damn! Damn! That's hard. You see it? Well, obviously it'll be a lot more noticeable at night when it's flashing, you know, but that way I know when I'm dipping, slide the switches out the exit. When I'm in the car, when you get in, slide the switches like you're gonna get in. You feel me? Damn, that's hard, bro. That's hard. Got the front all cleaned up already. This is how it's gonna look like with all my stickers on there. I got the accessories, the fog lights, the whip lights, the spotlights, the air compressor, and then the blank one for when I have something else I want to put there. On second thought, I changed my mind and I actually put the spare sticker on there. These stickers came with this actual cover, so it's pretty cool. I don't know what happened there. Got some dirt on there, whatever. Part of the game, man. But even got the spare on there, just in case something happens to the other ones. It's better to be prepared. It's better to get caught with it than without it. How my dad said, un hombre preparado vale por dos. You feel me? Yes, sir. I didn't get a chance to edit this video at the end, so I'm gonna end it right now, man. I'm editing it right now. It's about to drop in about an hour or so for you guys. I appreciate y'all for stopping by, watching the video, man. A quick little video, how to make some of the parts from the Black Z. If you guys know what happened to that, transfer over to the Bug, man. I'm gonna drop a video explaining everything that's going on, catching y'all real soon, man. Just trying to get through each one of these videos, man. Right now, doing the Vlogmas, trying to get all the content out so we'll be up to date by New Year's. So just be on the look for that. I'm actually gonna drop a Christmas special, man. So be on the lookout for that pretty soon, man. Happy holidays. I hope everybody having a great time. I hope everybody enjoying the new content we've been dropping on the Bug, the Z, everything that's coming, man. I hope you guys are excited. If you guys are, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button if you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to hit that bell so you guys get notified every time I drop a banger, because I know y'all finna be upset if you guys miss out, man. Like always, I appreciate y'all for stopping by. I hope you have an amazing blessed day, and I'll catch y'all next video.